antifreeze is getting down into the spark plug hole, out the weep hole, and then turning to steam on the exhaust pipes. I don't think it would, pool, the water would pool down below here. And there's no way it would come up over here, and down into the spark plug well, and then down the weep hole. So if I have antifreeze getting down into my spark plug wells, it seems as though it would have to be a leaking gasket here. See, there we are, a leaking gasket here that could leak down right like that and down into the spark plug wells. I do have a brand new gasket on that, so I would not expect that to leak. Again, best guess is that this gasket has failed and water is coming, or antifreeze is coming down here. I probably put gasket compound on that. So I will clean up these connections, get new O-rings, get a new gasket, and try again. So I think again, most likely here was my problem. I do have some flexible gasket material that I put on there just a couple of weeks ago, along with a new gasket. I have to clean that up now. So I'm a little confused about the O-ring for these fittings, only because they appear to be pretty sloppy. The question is, do these normally fit loosely, and then when they're pressed in, they squeeze down? That certainly doesn't look like that would give a very good seal like that.